We're in the BC rainforest. I'm out with my dogs. Just near Squamish, BC. There's a little river behind me here. And just thought I'd stop and make some breakfast, have some coffee, and shoot out a video to you guys. So enjoy it. So the first thing we need to do is find some dry wood, at least partially dry, for a base for the fire. So I'm just on the hunt for a decent tree, and looks like I found one. Really wish I would have brought my axe. I just had quite the scare. I heard a little splash, and I look, and I only saw one puppy, and I'm like, no way. And I start whistling for her, nothing, don't see anything in the water, and then all of a sudden, probably 20 seconds later, she comes up to the top of the water, splashing. These dogs don't have any swimming experience yet, so I had to haul her out of there, because this river's moving pretty quick. I'll show you. Scared the hell out of me. So right there is where she fell in, and she kind of went under the bank. You can see how much water is moving through here. Jeez. Hey, go on.